So we design custom accessories for LEGO minifigures. So for this guy, we designed the guns and the helmet. And then we sell them in these packs. They retail for $3 each, and they come with 5 or 6 accessories. This is the first wave, and then this is our new wave, Wave 2. So each one has 12 different types that you can get. And then we also have this board game, Change the Champions. It consists of 3 phases. First, you go to the auction and you buy a gladiator, and he'll have different stats based on these cards. And then the second phase, you go to the market, and you have 7 turns to buy weapons, helmets, armor, and special training. So like in this card, if you have the miniature head, you can bull rush someone. And then in the final phase, you take everything that you've got and go into the arena and have a big fight to the death. And you can do things like decapitate your opponents, crush their skulls, nice things like that.
So, when will these be available? Are they available now?
Yeah, all of this is available.
Everything's
now.
available now? And where can we find it?
Well, you can find these packs in Five Below. You can find the game on our website, brickwarriors.com.
Very good.
And also Fun Again Games. I think they have a couple copies left.
All right, spectacular. Great. Well, it's great to see you guys again, and I'm glad sales are going well. Thanks.
Yep.